Hey guys! Today I have a first impression / review on the new Maybelline Gigi Hadid limited edition. So there's like a silver packaging and the gold packaging. I'm not sure what the difference is. Let's start with the lipsticks. I'll start with the gold packaging first. Ooh. Looks like a tangerine color. Texture is so soft and buttery. Is it red? Oh, it's like the perfect shade of red. Out of my lipstick drawer, I always end up reaching for my high-end lipstick products like YSL, but this is amazing. Like a reddish orange, I think. The packaging is the same, but it's written in gold for the gold box, and then this one is in silver. This one is GG09. These look more like nude, natural colors, and then the gold ones are more like bold, fun colors. You guys, I think this shade will be pretty if you have like darker skin tone. Okay, let's try GG11. It's like a purple shade. Ooh, what is this? It's like a purple, taupey purple shade. I hope I look good in this one. It's a pretty shade, but I don't think it really looks good with my skin tone. I could see like Kylie Jenner wearing this. It looks so good on her. I wish this color looked... What do you guys think? Is it just me because I'm not used to this color? This is like a nude shade. Not bad. I think this shade looks better on me than the other two shades. What do you guys think? I'm not used to wearing these type of shades, but it's always fun to try new things. Gigi Hadid Liquid Strobe in warm, and then this is in cool. It's holographic, so pretty. Ooh, so it's like a shimmery gold shade, and then the cool tone is like a pearly pink shade. Feels like shaving cream, like whipping cream. Put too much. These two are brow pencils. I like the shape of this. I prefer using the lighter shade. I already did my brows, but let me just go in with this again. Color similar to the Anastasia Brow Wiz taupe that I used today for my brows. Ooh, a liquid liner. GG05 Black. Let me just go over this. Ooh. Love this. Could draw like precise lines. Okay, the last product is a mascara. Dual-ended fiber mascara, GG18 Black. There's also a gel liner, great to use to tightline. Ooh, it's dual. What is this? I'm so confused. So apply the mascara and then apply the fibers on top. Let's try this. I already have on mascara. Let me just add another coat. Wow, you guys. Am I doing this right? I don't know about the fiber, but I like the mascara. That's all for this Maybelline and Gigi Hadid limited edition collection. Let me know down in the comment box which product you like the best, and also let me know if there's any other like drugstore, not like Korean, like Western drugstore new collections or specific products you guys want me to review, since I'll be in Dallas by the time this video goes up, so I'll have access to a lot of drugstore products. I'm gonna go to like Target and Walmart, so please let me know down below. See you guys in 2018. Bye!